Here it is, guys. 2-box break 2017 Topps Archive Signature Series postseason. Number 154. Let's go. Roger E down to KP. Let's copy and paste it in. Here we go. Where the heck that sheet is, Many Hides. 66 is good. There's 1, 2, 3. Razzle Dazzle 4. Here comes 5. There's 6 and 7. Look out. Ben V to KP. Checklist players are next. Hank Aaron to Kevin Euclid. Call him Willie McGee. All right, Bernie Williams to Ron Say. Look out. Look out for that guy. Old Lou Piniella. Any questions on players, guys? Any questions? Any questions? Half the break's waiting on AG to learn how to use a computer. Sorry, Ben. Had to do it. Sorry, man. Hope we're still friends. All right, here we go. Let's do archives. Good luck, guys. See what this one looks like. Mike, probably not. Probably not. I would say definitely not. All right, let's see. We're just having a good time, man. We're just having a good time. Oh, what is this? 5 of 5. Tim Raines. Check that out. That's pretty awesome. That's pretty awesome. 5 of 5. Tim Raines. Let's see who's got him. That is Joanne A. coming out to you. Joanne A. Yep, The Rock. Joanne. Calling Barry Larkin. All right, here's our next one. Here's our next one, man. see who it is. Oh, here we go. Jim Tomey. 1 of 5. Wow, both are numbered nice, too. Both low-numbered cards. Jim Tomey. Fantastic. Let me see who's got him. And that is Ben V. Ben Computer V. Nice hit, Ben. That's coming out to you. Ben, the computer guy, V. Comes away with a big hit. Alright, guys. That is... let me see. 2-box Archive Signature Series, number 154. Thanks for joining.